Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am doing equation of circle. This is the new topic for the students of appearing from 2025 onward. So I am doing the questions from this topic of all variants of 2025. Variant 1.1, variant 1.2, variant 1.3 plus Feb March, and also the questions from the specimen papers. So this is the worksheet in which you can take help by using my method. G. Question number 3. Point A has coordinate 3, -1. A circle has equation show that A lies on the circumference of a circle. So when you are doing question from circle, try to use the diagram. So this is circle and this is center of the circle. The point A lies on circumference. That means substitute coordinates point A into the circle equation. If left side equal to the right side, तो ये शो हो जाएगा कि the point A lies on the circle. So x को रिप्लेस करेंगे 3, so 3 -4 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y को रिप्लेस करेंगे -1 प्लस 3 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 5. 3 - 4 इज -1 और -1 स्क्वायर होगा, इट इज़ 1 ओनली. So 1 plus -1 plus 3 2 square is 4. So 1 plus 4 equal to 5. तो ये shown 5 is equal to 5. These coordinates lie on the circle for 1 mark only. Given that AB is a diameter of the circle, find the coordinates of B. Now in the circle equation you need a center. So you know that center होगा आपके पास from the circle equation. This is your equation of circle, it is given. So your center from this, your center is -4 -3 and the coordinate A is 3 -1. So if this is circle and this is center of the circle, this is the diameter. Point A is, I just use rough diagram, no need to draw the actual scale diagram. So this is 3 -1, the center is 4 -3 and this is point B. So if AB is the diameter, so that means center is the center of the circle is the midpoint of AB. So coordinates for B required हैं, तो हम let करते हैं this is XY. So midpoint formula, using midpoint formula, 4 - 3 equal to x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. Now the x coordinate will be equal to the x coordinate. So will be equal to the x coordinate. So we have 4 equal 3 plus x over 2, cross multiply 3 plus x equal to 8 and 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Now using y coordinate, so -3 equal -1 plus y over 2, cross multiply, so we have -6, rearrange, so you will get -5. So the coordinates of B is 5 -5. So this is your answer for part B. Find part C, Find the equation of the tangent to the circle at A. So beta, if this is circle and this is center of the circle, this point A is 3, -1. You have to find the equation of the tangent. So tangent means the line that touches the outer part of the circle. This is the tangent. So you have to find the equation of the tangent to the circle. If you join point A to the center, so this is radius, and the property is tangent perpendicular to the radius, so you have a 90-degree angle at A. You have a coordinates of A is 3, -1, center is 4, -3. Now you have to find first of all gradient y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 minus 3 plus 1 over 4 minus 3, it is minus 2 over 1. But the point A tangent is perpendicular to the radius, so take the negative reciprocal of the gradient, so m2 is 1 over 2. Using coordinate A and the gradient, find the equation. So beta, it is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. You may give your answer in this form, or you may simplify by cross multiply. So 2y plus 2 equal x minus 3 and 2y equal to x minus 5. So this is your required equation of line. Now next question. Okay, ji, this is your final answer. Now move to next question. A circle with center C has equation x square plus y square minus 10x minus 4y plus 24. Show that the line is a tangent to this circle. Now we have two options जिसमें आप इस क्वेश्चन को, इस लाइन को प्रूव कर सकते हो. Number one, you can substitute this line into the equation of circle, then you will have a quadratic equation. आप उसको simplify करोगे तो you have only one point of intersection. That means कि this discriminant it will be equal to 0 only. तो आप एक इस मेथड से भी प्रूव कर सकते हो. सेकेंड मेथड क्या है? सेकेंड मेथड में आप इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट निकालोगे और बल्कि ऐसा करते हैं यूजिंग, ओके जी, इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 यूजिंग दिस मेथड बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज इक्वल टू 0, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट जिसमें आप प्रूव करोगे कि ये इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस इज tangent to the circle. Now substitute this value of y into the equation. We have x square plus 2x minus 3 whole square minus 10x minus 4 y 2x minus 3 plus 24 equals 0. So x square plus 4x square minus 2 to the 4 3 is 12 plus 9 minus 10x minus 8x plus 12 plus 24 equals 0. Now simplify, you will get 5x square, then again simplify, minus 10x minus 12x, minus 10x, minus 22, minus 8x, so minus 30x, and then 9 plus 12 plus 24. So it is 45. So plus 45 equal to 0. Now further simplify, take out 5 common. So we have x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. And now you can see we have only one point of intersection. So it is a square of x minus 3. So x is equal to 3. You have only one answer. Now if you substitute this value of x into this line, so we have a point. It is y is equal to 2 times 3 is 6 minus 3, so y is equal to 3. So 3 and 3 is the point where the circle touches the tangent, and it also has only one point. We can prove that this line is tangent to the circle. Given that this tangent touches a circle at the point P, find the coordinates of P. So this is also your answer. So after getting x is equal to 3, substitute this value of y into the equation. So it is 2 times 3 minus 3, so y is equal to 3. So the point P is 3 and 3. So this is your answer for part B. Part C. Find the equation of the circle which has its center at P and passes through the origin. Now you have to find equation of the circle, and this is the center of the circle and it is origin 0 0. The point P is 3 3, so this is point P. It is 3 and 3. Now you have to find the only radius because center आपके पास given है. So the center is 0 0. Now to find the radius using the distance formula. So 3 minus 0 square is 9 plus 3 minus 0 square is 9. So 9 plus 9 equal to 18. So the square root of 18 is 3 root 2. Now the equation of the circle is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 3 root 2 whole square, or x square plus y square equal to 18. So this is your required equation of circle. Oh, so this is your answer for part B. This is your answer for part B. Part C. Find the equation of the circle which has its center at P and passes through the origin. So passes through the origin, center है 3 3. If you draw the diagram, so this is equation passes through the origin and its center is 3 and 3. In part C, center है 3 3 और passes through the origin 0 0. So you just need the radius. तो radius आपके पास आएगा, it is 3 minus 0 square. सेंटर है आपके पास 3 and 3 और passes through the origin it is 0 0. If you draw the diagram, so this is the point, this is the center and passes through the origin. So this is our radius रीजन में यहाँ पे हम कहेंगे कि 0 0 है कोऑर्डिनेट्स, so it is 9 plus 9 equal to 18. Now the equation of the circle is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to r square, it is 18. So this is your answer for part C. Move to the next question, question number 5 of the paper, variant 1-3. Solutions by accurate drawing will not be accepted, and this is also a non-calculator based question. A circle C has equation. Find the equation of the tangent to C at the point 11 4, but this time your answer will be in this form. So the center of the circle is 5 and 12 and radius is 10, or you have to find the equation of the circle, equation of the tangent to C at the point 11 4. At the point 11 4, just make a sketch of the diagram to better understand. So यहाँ पर सेंटर आ गया 5 और 12 और पॉइंट C आ गया आपके पास, it is at the point 11 and 4. So this is radius. Now you need to find the gradient first of all. So it is for 4 minus 12 over 11 minus 5. So m is equal to minus 8 over 6. M is equal to minus 4 over 3. Tangent perpendicular to the radius. So m2 is the negative reciprocal. It is 3 by 4. Now the equation of the line tangent is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. So 4y minus 16 equal to 3x minus 33. So it is now minus 16 plus 33 equal to 3x minus 4y, and this is 3x minus 4y is equal to 17. So this is your required equation of the tangent. This is your answer for part. This is your answer for part A. Show that C and the circle with equation do not intersect. So do not intersect, हम यहाँ पर concept use करेंगे. If I draw the diagram for this, so this is circle, one circle, this is circle number 1, this is circle number 1, this is circle number 2. One circle is smaller than the other, and you have to prove the two circles do not intersect. So the circle 1 has center, C1 has center, 5, 12, C1 has radius is 10, and C2 has center 0, 0, and the circle 2 has center 2. So the distance हम यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे कॉन्सेप्ट ए बी इज लेस देन R1 plus R2. So this is the property for the circle in which the two circles do not intersect. So AB mean the distance of point A and point B. So this is circle 2 center, this is circle 1 center. So the distance is 5 minus 0 square plus 12 minus 0 square and then square root. So it is 25 plus 144, 169, and the square root is only 13. So using the concept AB is less than R1 plus R2, so 13 is less than 10 plus 2, so 13 is less than 12 shown. This is your answer for 13 less than 12, 13 less than 12 shown. This is your answer. G, this is your answer. Now move to next question. A circle with center C has equation show that the line is tangent to the circle. So tangent to the circle, that means the line touches the circle at one point. तो हम डिस्क्रिमिनेंट का कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पर अप्लाई करेंगे, बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इक्वल टू 0. Now substitute. So we have x square plus 2x minus 3 whole square minus 10x minus 4y 2x minus 3 plus 24 equal to 0. So x square plus 4x square minus 12x plus 9 minus 10x minus 8x plus 12 plus 24 equal to 0. So this is 5x square, this is minus 12x minus 10x minus 8x minus 30x, and this is 9 plus 12 plus 24 is 45. So 5x square minus 30x plus 45 equals 0. 5 common, so x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. And this is x minus 3 whole square equal to 0, and x is equal to 3. Now this value of x substitute into this equation, you will get the value for y. So y is equal to 2 times 3 minus 3, so y is equal to 3. So we have only one point where the line is tangent to the circle. Given that this tangent touches the circle at the point P, so your point P is 3 and 3 we have already found. Part C, find the equation of the circle which has center P. So P है आपके पास 3 and 3 and pass it through the origin, it is 0 0. सो ओरिजिन से P तक आपके पास रेडियस होगा, सेंटर आपके पास ऑलरेडी है, तो रेडियस के लिए आप फार्मूला अप्लाई करते हो x माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस y1 होल स्क्वायर. So 3 minus 0 is 3 square 9, 3 minus 0 again we have 9, so 9 plus 9 is square root of 18. Now equation of circle, center आपके पास है 3, so x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 18. So this is our required answer. Next question, question number 5 of the paper variant 1-3. We have a circle equation given. So the radius is 5 and 12. Center is 5, 12 and radius is 10. Find the equation of the tangent to C at the point. So if you draw a circle and this point is the center, this is 5 and 12 and 11 4. This is not your scale drawing, we are just using the concept. So 11 4. Now you have to find out the gradient. So it is 4 minus 12 over 11 minus 5. So minus 8 over 6 minus 4 over 3. So m2 हो जाएगा negative reciprocal, it is 3/4. Now using the equation of line, so we have y minus, so अब आप यहाँ से यूज़ करेंगे पॉइंट को, so y minus 4 equal to 3/4 times x minus 11. Cross multiplying, so we have 4y minus 16 equal to 3x minus 33. So rearrange करेंगे, so 3x minus 4y equal to negative 16 plus 33 is 17. So this is your required answer. In part B, show that C and the circle do not intersect. तो डू नॉट इंटरसेक्ट के लिए आपके पास कंडीशन है ए बी इज ग्रेटर देन R1 प्लस R2. A is the center of the circle 1, B is the center of the circle 2. Find their distance, and the distance is always greater than their sum of the radius. तो रेडियाई तो आपके पास ये प्रूव हो जाता है. तो सर्कल A हैज सेंटर 5 12, सर्कल 2 हैज सेंटर, यहाँ से लेंगे हम सेंटर, इट इज 0 0. सो द डिस्टेंस इज square root of 5 minus 0 is 5 square 25. 12 minus 0 is 12, square is 144. So 144 plus 25 is 169 and the square root is 13. Now using AB is greater than R1 plus R2. AB is 13. Radius 1 is from the circle. First circle, that is 10. Radius 2 is from the second circle. So this is radius R square. So R hoga 2. So 13 is greater than 12. So you shown. Next question, question number 3. The point A has coordinates, the point B has coordinates. Given that the line AB is a diameter of the circle, find the equation of the circle. So easy question beta. So यहाँ पर आप क्या करेंगे? This is circle, this is diameter of the circle. Diameter has one point, A is minus 3 and 6. B has coordinates 7 and minus 8. This is center of the circle. So first of all, center find करेंगे by using the midpoint. Minus 3 plus 7 over 2, 6 minus 8 over 2. So minus 3 plus 7, 4 over 2 is 2. 6 minus 8 minus 2 over 2 is minus 1. Now find out the radius. So center say this is center and this center is 2 negative 1. Now from center to the point B radius निकाल लो या फिर from center to the point A आप radius निकाल लो. So we are using center to the point B. It is 2 minus 7 square plus minus 1 plus 8 square. So 2 minus 7 is minus 5, 25. Minus 1 plus 8 is 7. 7 square is 49. It is 74. Now equation of the circle हो जाएगा. It is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to r square, and this is 74. This is your answer for next question. Question number 6. P, Q and R have coordinates. So P, this is point P, this is point Q, and this is point R. Show that the line PQ is perpendicular to the line QR. That means we have a 90-degree angle at Q. So if you draw the diagram, we have this is diameter, this is point P and Q, this is point P and R, and we have a 90-degree angle that we want to show. So this is Q. Now according to the question, if show that the line PQ is perpendicular to QR, that means we have a right angle at point Q, और यही हमें शो करना है. कैसे करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल gradient of m1 of PQ equal to 4 plus 8 over 2 plus 4, 12 over 6 equal to 2, and gradient of QR is 0 minus 4 over 10 minus 2 minus 4 over 8 equal negative half. Now if you multiply the two gradients, if your answer equal to the right side, तो ये प्रूव हो जाएगा, ये शो हो जाएगा कि PQ is perpendicular to QR shown. Part B. Hence find the equation of the circle which passes through PQ and R. So if Q at Q we have a right angle, that means PR will be the diameter, and the center of the diameter will and the midpoint of the diameter is the center. So आप midpoint find करेंगे. Midpoint of PR actually वो center of circle होगा. So minus 4 plus 10 over 2 minus 8 plus 0 over 2. So 6 over 2 is 3, minus 8 over 2 is minus 4. Now you have to find out the radius, so using center and the point P. So find the distance between the center. Center है आपके पास, it is 3, negative 4, and point R is 10 and 0. So using 3 minus 10 whole square plus minus 4 minus 0 whole square, minus 7 square is 49 plus 16. So 49 plus 16 is 65 square root. Now the equation of the circle is x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square equal to r square. तो root 5 का square होगा only 65. So this is your answer for part B. Move to question number 10 now. A circle has a center 2 minus 4 and radius 3. Okay. The line y is equal to 2x minus 3 intersect the circle at points A and B. Okay, the perpendicular bisector of the line AB intersect the circle at points x and y. Find the area of the kite AXBY. So try to draw the diagram first, फिर आगे हम जाएंगे. Number 1, and this is circle, and we have a center of a circle is 2 minus 4. This is center 2 minus 4 and radius is 3. The line y is equal to 2x minus 3 intersect the circle at points A and B. So if this is the line, y is equal to 2x minus 3, this line intersect the circle at point A and at point B. If you join this line, this is a radius 3. This is also a radius, it is given 3. Now, the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. So, this line is the perpendicular bisector. So, always perpendicular bisector passes through the center of the circle. This is circle property. So, this is the line of circle this is the line intersecting the circle at 2 points. Number 1, points P and points X and Y. So, this is point X, this is point Y. Now, if you join A to X, X to B, then B to Y, and then A to Y, we have a kite. So the kite is, you can see, if I'm showing you A to X to B to Y and to X. So this is the highlighted with blue is the kite. Now to find the area of the kite, so we will use the formula for the area of the kite. Area equal to 1 by 2 times d1 and times d2. d1 is the diagonal one, and it is AB. d2 is the diagonal 2 and it is xy. We can find xy because this is the radius. सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल से ए तक जाएंगे तो रेडियस, सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल से वाई तक जाएंगे, दिस इज ऑल्सो रेडियस. तो रेडियस हम ऑलरेडी फाइंड कर चुके हैं, इट इज़ 3 + 3. तो एक्स वाई आपके पास आ जाएगा, इट इज़ इक्वल टू 6. नाउ टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस, टू फाइंड ए बी, द डिस्टेंस ऑफ ए बी, वी नीड टू फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ ए एंड बी, और उसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे. First of all, write down the equation of circle. It is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 3 square. And the line is y equal to 2x minus 3. Now substitute. So x minus 2 whole square plus 2x minus 3 plus 4 whole square equal to 9. So we have x minus 2 square plus 2x plus 1 square equal to 9. Expand the bracket, we have x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 4x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 9 equal to 0. So we have 5x square minus 4x plus 4x cancel. So 4 plus 1, 5 minus 9 is minus 4 equals 0. And then we have 5x square equal to 4. X square equal to 4 over 5 by taking square root. So x equal to plus minus 2 over root 5. Now to find the y coordinates, so substitute. So y equal to 2 times 2 over root 5 minus 3. So y is equal to 4 over root 5 minus 3. So this is point A आप कह दो. So 2 over root 5 and 4 over root 5 minus 3. Now for point B, सो फॉर पॉइंट बी के लिए हम करेंगे y इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स -2/5 minus 3, y equal to -4 over √5 minus 3. So we have y is equal to, now the point B is x is -2 over √5 and -4 over √5 minus 3. So these are the points A and B. Now use these points to find the distance. तो distance of AB हम length निकालेंगे. So using the distance formula, x1 minus x2, so 2 over √5 plus 2 over √5 square plus 4 over √5 minus 3 minus, तो एक्चुअली ये प्लस हो जाएगा 4 over √5 plus 3 and then square. So ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. नाउ व्हेन यू टेक ऐड करेंगे तो 4 over √5 और एल स्क्वायर लेंगे तो इट इज़ 16 over 5 और यहाँ पर आप इसको ऐड करोगे तो यह आ जाएगा 8 over √5 और फिर जब आप इसका स्क्वायर लोगे तो दिस इज 64 over 5. इट इज़ इक्वल टू 80 over 5. 80 over 5 16 और 16 का स्क्वायर रूट, लेकिन ये डिस्टेंस है तो हम ओनली पॉजिटिव यूज करेंगे. नाउ वी हैव AB is 4, XY we have 6, so area of kite is equal to 1/2 times 4 times 6, 24 over 2, so 12 units squared. So this is our answer.